In today's part, we will learn to finding the square root by division method. Yes, it is a little bit interesting than the previous one because factorization you are doing from your younger classes. So, let's take 3-digit number. Earlier I have discussed with you that the digit of the number, how many digits are there, it can tell that how many digits you will get in the square root. Here I am going to take a 3-digit number. Tell me what will be the digits, number of digits in its square root. Yes, if I am taking a 3-digit number, let it be, I will take 529. I am going to find out the square root of this one. By observing this number, you can say definitely we will get a 2-digit number as a square root. Okay, one more thing I want to know. Here unit place has given 9. So expected square root what should be in its unit place? As here I have 9. So go back to the first video. Yes, here you have seen that unit place, if it is 3 and if it is 7, they will give you that unit place as 9 in a square. Okay, so let's come to this one, how to find out. Yes, both the question will be answered here in this division method. First, how many numbers you will get. For that, the first thing, as I have done in the previous video, you have noticed, I will group them. What are the groups? I will start grouping them from the right hand side. That means from the unit place. That is 29 is coming in one group and 5 is alone because it is single one. Okay, now I will go for the division method. Yes, that division is little bit different than the normal division. I have to think about the square number which will be nearest to 5. Yes, it should not be greater than that. It can be less than that, but it will be the nearest one, nearest square. So what is the nearest square of 5? It is 2. 2 square means we will get here 4. So when I am subtracting this one by 4, I am getting 1. Now in general division you have seen the next one digit we used to take to the next step. But here we are going to take the group together. Yes, that 29 is coming together. Now here it will be double here. That means it will become 4. Here I have to think for a number which can multiply here and the same. If I multiply, I will get that answer. Because here 9 is given, so I can think for 3. Yes. Otherwise, if it is not possible for 3, I can think for 7. So, when I am multiplying this one by 3, what I am getting? 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Yes, I have got the exact number. That 3 will be put here in the place of quotient. So, this is my result column. This is the result column. Yes, here it is. This is the result column. So here my division part is over. What I have got? The square root of 529. Its answer will be 23. Suppose this type of any big number has given for the division method. Okay, let's go for one number. Here I am going to take one big number. Let it be, I am thinking about 3136. 3136. Its square root you have also to find out by division method. Okay, let's go for the division. 3136. Here 4-digit number is there. So let's start from the right hand side. I have got two groups. Yes. Now put this bar. Yes. Nearest square of 31. Yes. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Let's subtract what you are getting. 6. So next group will come here, that is 36. Now that 5 will be double here, that means 10. Think about a number. 4. No. 4 10 is 40 it will be. Not necessary. Go for 6. Because the last digit we have to consider the 6. So for 6, 4 can be given. 6 can be given. So here 4 was, if I am putting 4 here and multiplying, it will become very small. So I am multiplying this one by 6. What I am getting? Yes. Yes, my division part is over. So here that 6 will be put in the result column. So my answer is coming in this case, that is equal to 56. Okay, as we have discussed in the first video also, all the numbers are not the perfect square. Many numbers are there which are not a perfect square. So some of the cases you will get some reminders are coming here. Okay, so now you have to face that kind of questions that by what is the number you should, that least number to subtract to make it a perfect square. That kind of questions when arise. Let's come to this kind of one. question we are going to solve here. Here I have taken one number 1989. Okay, and it's not in perfect square. So what to be subtracted from that to make it a perfect square? What you can do? Yes, first of all, I'm going to find out the nearest square number of this one. Okay, so nearest square number. Okay, go for the grouping of that division method. Nearest square is 4, 4 just 16. Yes, subtract this one, you are getting 389. Okay, now double this 4. So now think about a number. If I am going for 7, it will be too big. Go for 3. If I am going for 3, so what you are getting? 3 3s are. Yes. If I am going for 4, 4 I can go for 4. Let's think about 4. What will happen afterwards? I am putting here 4 4 just 16. 4 8 is a 32. 32 plus 1 33. So what you are getting, that is equal to 3 and it is equal to 5. So to make it a perfect square, to make this number a perfect square, we have to subtract this one by 53. See, if this 53 is not there, so what will happen? It will become a perfect square. Yes. So if I am subtracting 1989 by 53, what I will get after subtracting this one? Yes, it will become 6. Then here it is 3. Then 19. So 1936 will be a perfect square. Whose square it will be? It will be a square of 44. Yes. If you are not being agree with this, if you are not agree with this, you can cross check this one. Let's go for again division method. 1936, group them. 4 4 just 16. Yes, 336. Yes, go for the double of that. It is 8. Then 4 jar 8 4 jar 4 4 jar 16. 8 4 jar 32 plus 1 33. Yes. Understood? So suppose this kind of one question has given what to be subtracted from that number to make it the perfect square. So these are the methods you can follow. Some of the situations you will get where you will ask for what to be added. So in this case, how you can solve? I am giving you one example. Let's come to this one. Here in this question, you can find this question in your exercise also NCERT book. Here in this question, you have asked, it is not a perfect square. What to be added to that number to make it a perfect square? What you can do in this situation? Let's come to this one. The first thing, I have to think about this one, whose nearest square. What is the nearest square of that one? Okay, let's see. Here go for grouping them. Yes. Here 8 8 is 64 we are getting. Yes. So it is coming 0. Now 12 is coming back. So for that, if I am going for 16, yes, only I can put a 0. Show that I am getting 0. 12 is remaining. Okay. So what you have understood by multiplying this one? So I have found that here 12 is remaining. But 12 is not enough to make it square. Okay, now what you can do, the next square is what? After 80, the next natural number will be 81. So what will be the 81 square? Let's find it out. 81 square means, okay, let's recall that previous one. By that method also we can find out. It will be 80 square plus 2 into 80 into 1 plus 1 square. That means here it is 6400 plus 160 plus 1. Okay, so you are getting here 61. Yes, 6561. So you have 6412. So what more to add with this one? Yes, already it have 12. So what more to add? If I am subtracting this one 6561 from that 6412. So what will get? It will become, yes, it is 9. Here it is 2 means here you are getting 4. Then here it is 1. So I have to add 149 with this. If I am adding 149 with this number, it will become a perfect square. It will become 6561, which will be a perfect square of 80. 1. Understood? So let's go to solve this exercise. I hope you people can solve. We will meet in the next part.